Well, hello everybody. So what we're going to do here, I think I've got a place in my crawl space where at least one of my vents are detached from the AC. So what I hope to do is go under here and repair it. I've got tape and some really big ass tie wraps on me. So we're going to do that. I got a cheaper, crappier camera to do this because I don't want to bring my Pixel phone down here. You can understand that. Pixel phone cost almost as much, if not more, than a decent camera. And it's got a good camera on it. I just don't want to ruin it. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to get under here. Now, as soon as I get under here, the light's going to be wonky. It's going to be a little weird. I don't know how much of this is going to come out. But, I'm holding basically a Vivitar version of a GoPro on the end of a really short-ass tripod. So, again, I don't know how everything's going to go. It is very cool under here, though, which means it's been getting air conditioned, which sucks. Like I said, I know that at least one of them has come loose. Since the unit has been repaired, the airflow has gotten better in the house, and I think that may have been the final straw. So, I don't know. We'll see. And I'll try to keep the way lighted as much as I can for you. We'll go through. And while I'm down here, my father and brother did a magnificent job of fixing the unit. It had a leak. I don't know if you can see it. It's way down there. I can't see it on the screen. You can see a little bit of it. That gray box. That's the air handler. That's the main part of the unit. I was going to check in the kitchen too. There's one way down there. You can see it. I don't know. I'll go check that later. I want to fix the main part now. I don't want to get too involved in some shit that I don't know what's going on. Alright, so if you hear me yelp in pain, there are black widows under here. I'm not a fan. First thing I want to do, there's some remnants. Oh shit, is that thing working? Hello? This thing's freaking. Yeah, it's still going. Okay, I guess apparently the LCD screen turns off after a while to conserve battery. That's fine. I'm good with it. Alright, so I had done a repair. Now one, this is the rim joist for the house. Good 6-foot section of it was completely rotten, where the guys that built the house had nailed the porch directly into it, and there's another section way down there. It's the same way, and they had not sealed it any, so it was boned. Again, there's the unit that they worked on. Now it was leaking from the other side, pretty bad. The section that comes into the return, it looks like the return has dropped from the unit. So they had to, I'm going to go on my side here so you can see a little bit of it. They had to tape it up down there and tape it up there, because the whole damn return dropped. Because the guys that came in to do it did a piss poor job, because they suck. So that is what it is. It's about as good as it's going to get for right now. The unit's going to have to be replaced. May or may not suck. I don't know. Alright. So what we're doing is we are going way the hell down that way. Now this is a repair that was done on the foundation, and I think they kind of pooched it. Actually, I'm damn sure they kind of pooched it. Well, look at that shit. See that? I'm pretty sure that that's supposed to be held up. So, yeah. The guys that built this house did a shitty job. Shitty job. This was 30 years ago. Now I'm thinking what's going to happen. I'm going to have to get down here at some point with a jack. And we'll have to get that guy shored back up. with like something like that guy. Now that was custom made for this. So that may have been the foundation repair guys that did that. Not 100% sure. But that's all fucked, so I gotta fix that at some point. Isn't that awesome? Look at that. That's good shit, right? There's the floor that's separated from the damn... well, I don't even know what to call that. I guess that would be another rim joist, wouldn't it? It's separated from it. You can tell. Look at that. There's a gap there. So, that's the kind of shit that I've been dealing with this house. Just stupid shit. Alright. Let's go ahead and finish getting through here. Looking at all the duct work while I'm here, while I'm on this side. Now up here, that's the return. You see that? This is the return. So, the water heater's kind of right above me. It's kind of like right up in here somewhere-ish. So what they did basically, and there was no basically to it, this is exactly what they fucking did. They used the space between two floor joists, and they made air return. So, shit, I'm feeling air, man. Holy mother of God. So, once I fix the bigger problem underneath, now I gotta keep on turning this damn screen on. Once I fix the bigger problem, look at this right here. Look at that guy. I'll pull it back for you. So this is where the air return starts and goes all the way down the length of the house and then comes back in way down there. I can feel air creeping in from right there. Now that ain't gonna help matters any. Air coming in from right there, that's shit. That's garbage. So, whatever jacklegs they had working on this shit, me, not even being a heating and air guy, I know that's fucked up. That is fucked up. That is not the way that shit should have gone down. Oh, so stupid. So, yeah, man, this is, you can tell some of the repair work that's been done over the years on it. Look at this shit. I mean, you got, this is for the thermostat. It's running in. I'd be willing to bet I'm getting some leakage from there, too. Do you want to make a bet? Actually not so much. They actually probably did a good job of sealing that shit. But, yeah, that area right there, that sucks. God, fucking. Okay, yeah, look at that shit. Holy fuck, it's disconnected from there too. Jesus. So basically, I have been air conditioning my damn crawl space. That's awesome. That's good. That makes me feel better about my financial decisions. So this has got to be put back on. And I'm hoping that I can just tape it. Looks like that's what the fuck they did. And that's not even HVAC tape, man. That's just straight up damn duct tape. Black duct tape. Which, duct tape in the States, that's what duct tape is. But everywhere else they call it gaffer tape. Because you use it mainly in, like, sound applications. Yeah, they fucking screwed it. They had one screw on it. Oh, fuck. They royally fucked it. They royally fucked it. Shit. Okay. Cool beans. That had to come out. No two ways about it. It had to come out. Alright. Hopefully, I can get this guy in here. Yeah, look at that shit. Brilliant. Okay. Let's see, that's, like I said, putting a screw in there would be preferable. It's just not something I had thought about. I thought, when I started doing this, that possibility existed that maybe it was just the ductwork that was loose from the rest of it. I didn't really think about maybe that this had come, like they had to do any kind of fuckery like this to get this stuff where it needed to be. So, now we'll press on. Again, I'm gonna be back up under here. I have no doubt about that. So, me doing this and going, oh, it's not, you know, It's not the best job it could be because I didn't screw it in. Well, I'll be back. And when I come down here again, I'll do what I can to fix that shit. And then, obviously, this is not all the tape. On that bottom. Oh, okay, actually, it didn't go as bad as I thought. It just, since it goes out right here, make sure this damn thing is still focused in on it. Kinda, yeah. Yeah, since it kind of comes out here, you can see right here, it comes out like a cone, right? Like a funnel. So when I was reaching on the other side, I can't see it. Felt a little weird. Okay, coolness. Word. So that's half the battle right there. The other half, I'm gonna put this guy, this big old motherfucker. It won't even fit all in frame unless I twist it like that. Big ass tie wrap. And that is gonna help keep this bastard on here. So what we're gonna do, I've already put the tie wrap on it. Oh, look at that shit. Yeah, more duct tape. Wonderful. Good job, guys. Fucking A+ job. Brilliant. You fucking dickbags. Oh man, these guys suck ass. Get it. The big part's gonna get it fitting on the top up there. Keeping it from coming up further than I'd like it. I'd love it to come as far up as I can possibly get it. So when I put that strap on it and cinch it down, it's going to be a good ways of the way up the ductwork. Less chance it's going to come off. I think that's going to be good right there. So what we're going to do, how much more ductwork do I have? About right there. This. Put on as much of this stuff as I can too, the insulation. Bring it through here. I can imagine. Alright, well that's fixed. Alright, a little bit more magic tape. Okay, looks like there's a little bit of leakage around the joint. We'll take care of that shit too. This joint right here. Just try to seal up all the leaks I possibly can while I'm here. Hell, I'm just going to do all of them. No point in not. I'm here. Might as well. All of these guys. Any more air. I think that's it. Success. Kapla.